Today, we are thrilled to unveil our groundbreaking innovation, the all-new Smart Rehabilitation Robot Glove with a built-in heating feature. Crafted by experts in hand therapy, our team has spent 3 years perfecting a rehabilitation glove that comfortably fits the patient's hand. After testing this system with thousands of patients, we discovered that it encourages home practice and leads to noticeable enhancements in hand function. Now, please join me in welcoming Nancy to the stage, as she will be presenting the exciting features of our product.
Thank you, John. Our latest addition includes a heating function that alleviates hand pain and inflammation while enhancing blood circulation for improved cell repair and recovery. These gloves offer adjustable grip strength, training duration, and finger extension time, giving you control over open and close grips and session duration. With this flexibility, you can fine-tune your training intensity to suit your hand recovery needs at any time. We've made it incredibly intuitive. With just a simple tap of the heating button, you can experience 3 different temperature settings to warm your hands while training your fingers, all seamlessly integrated into the process. Stroke often impacts the brain's ability to communicate with other parts of the body. While some neural damage to the brain caused by a stroke is irreversible, it's possible to retrain certain parts of the brain to take over movement and activities. If you're experiencing difficulty in moving your hands, starting with this basic exercise is key. It's designed to help your brain relearn how to control the most fundamental hand movements. For those who struggle with gripping and releasing, our simultaneous finger training mode assists in positioning and regripping, enhancing control through this simple exercise. If you've already mastered the techniques of gripping and releasing, and you feel a renewed strength in your hands, then it's time to progress to practicing the movement of each finger. Experience the motion of every finger through our sequential finger training mode. It helps the hand relearn how to move the fingers. It also builds strength and flexibility in the hand. As you perform this exercise, remember that the goal is to practice slow, steady, and controlled movement. Do not try to rush through the exercise. This intermediate exercise is instrumental in achieving this goal. Now, you're ready to engage with our third and final exercise, tip to tip. This advanced routine enhances dexterity, building upon the strength and flexibility you've already cultivated. To begin, simply select 2 fingers for training by tapping their corresponding indicators on the panel. Position yourself by gently aligning the tip of your thumb with the tips of your fingers, forming an OK gesture. Then, relax and spread your hand open. Proceed to repeat this motion with your middle, ring, and little fingers, completing this cycle 5 times. This exercise transcends mere motion. It emphasizes precision, control, and the improvement of intricate movements that truly matter.